So dental implants are actual metal screws made of titanium, mostly pure titanium, but some companies made them out of titanium alloys. They are designed to replace the actual roots of the teeth, but they have much higher capacity to carry teeth. So a few number of implants can carry the entire load of a full set of teeth. Titanium works by what we call osseointegration. Bone has a unique capacity to grow onto the surface of titanium and get, you can say, pretty much glued into it. It locks itself into the fine texture of the implant surface, and also again there's some sort of adhesion between bone and titanium. So this bond is very strong bond. It doesn't allow any movement of the implant once it's successful. It takes a few weeks, several weeks actually, to form a complete full bond between them, and that's what we call the bone healing time.